Let's talk about something most people misunderstand. Magnetism is not beauty. It's not loud confidence, it's not being the funniest in the room. It's not wearing the boldest outfit. Magnetism is presence. It's the ability to walk into a space and feel steady. It's when people look at you twice, not because you demanded attention, but because something about you feels composed, grounded, and intentional. And summer amplifies energy. There are more gatherings, more photos, more social settings, more visibility. If you enter summer 2026 still scattered, reactive, and unsure of yourself, it will show. But if you build magnetism now, you won't need to try. So let's break down how to become magnetic before summer 2026. In a real, practical way. The first shift is nervous system control. If you are constantly anxious, overstimulated, or reactive, your energy feels unstable. People can sense instability even if they can't explain it. Magnetic people are regulated. They don't rush their words. They don't interrupt. They don't scramble to fill silence. Start practicing slowing down. Slow your speech slightly. Pause before responding. Let conversations breathe. When you are not in a hurry to prove yourself, your presence feels heavier. And heavy presence attracts attention naturally. The second shift is emotional discipline. Summer brings social dynamics. Attention, flirting, comparison, social media. If you react to everything, you lose mystery. Magnetism grows when you stop overreacting. You don't need to comment on every situation. You don't need to defend every misunderstanding. You don't need to broadcast every feeling. Practice selective response. Not everything deserves your energy. When you respond less frequently, your reactions carry more weight. The third upgrade is refining your self-perception. If you constantly criticize yourself internally, that insecurity leaks out through body language. You might avoid eye contact, you might laugh nervously, you might shrink your posture. Magnetic energy starts with self-approval. That doesn't mean arrogance, it means neutrality. Stop narrating yourself negatively in your own mind. Walk into rooms assuming you belong there. When you treat yourself as valuable, others follow your lead. The fourth shift is movement and body awareness. Magnetic people move with intention. They don't fidget excessively. They don't check their phone constantly. They don't rush through spaces. Practice walking slower, sitting upright, holding eye contact slightly longer. These micro adjustments transform how people experience you. Stillness is powerful. In a world where everyone is restless, being calm feels rare. The fifth upgrade is reducing oversharing. There's a difference between being open and being exposed. You don't need to tell everyone your goals before they happen. You don't need to explain every detail of your personal life. Magnetism includes mystery. When people don't have full access to your internal world, they remain curious. Curiosity sustains attraction. The sixth layer is physical polish. You don't need perfection, you need maintenance. Clean hair, groomed brows, soft skin, neat nails. When your external appearance matches your internal composure, the effect multiplies. Magnetism is internal first, but physical polish enhances it. The seventh and most important shift is detachment from validation. This is where most people struggle. If you constantly check who viewed your story, who liked your photo, who texted back, your energy feels outwardly dependent. Magnetic people are self-contained. They enjoy attention, but they don't need it to regulate their mood. When you are okay alone, your presence changes in social settings. You are not there to extract approval. You are there to exist. An existence without desperation is attractive. Here's the truth. Becoming magnetic before summer 2026 isn't about becoming louder. It's about becoming steadier. It's about regulating your emotions, refining your habits, improving your posture, controlling your reactions, and reducing your need for validation. When you combine calm, self-respect, polish, and selective access, something shifts. People lean in. Not because you're trying harder, but because you stop chasing. And when summer arrives, you won't need to compete for attention. Your presence will already command it.